Majority of the Supreme Court justices ruled to allot BTI its share of reserved seats in the parliament, denying the illegal government a two-thirds majority in the parliament to amend the constitution and extend the Chief Justice's tenure. The Election Commission and the government are refusing to implement that order. Pakistan's unjustly incarcerated former Prime Minister Imran Khan has warned that his party will hold protests if Justice Issa's term is extended by the country's illicit regime. He added that the regime is orchestrating a crackdown on his party, the PTI, under false pretenses. A three-member bench headed by Chief Justice Qazi Faiz Issa gave extraordinary relief to the PMLN by a majority of 2-1. The Supreme Court allowed the appeals against the recount in NA 154 Lodhran, NA 81 and NA 79 Gujranwala and restored the recount decision of the ECP. Justice Aqil Abbasi dissented. During an informal conversation with journalists at the Kot Lakhpat jail, Vice Chairman Shah Mahmood Qureshi reflected on his 40-year political career, stating that he had never faced any legal charges until the past year, during which dozens of cases have been filed against him. The former foreign minister stated that Imran Khan is a political reality in Pakistan, and that it is crucial for the country's political stability to acknowledge this. Shah Mahmood, Dr. Yasmin Rashid, Umar Chima, Ijaz Chaudhry, Mia Mahmouda Rashid, and others have been unjustly imprisoned for 15 months. Their only crime is refusing to renounce their affiliation with PTI and falsely attribute the events of May 9th to Imran Khan. Israeli airstrike on a Gaza City school compound housing displaced Palestinian families killed around 100 people, including children. The Israeli strike drew condemnation from Arab states, Turkey, France, Britain, and the European Union, and an expression of deep concern from the United States. The attack came just hours after the Biden administration announced approval of $3.5 billion in military funds for Israel and shipments for new weaponry.